All right, now I'm going to go ahead and lock this layer down. So my water layer is locked down. I'm going to add a new layer. And now I'm going to go ahead and think about what color I want to make my boat. So I double click the fill color. I think I want to make it brown. I'm going to left click and drag down. So I'm going to get brown color, hit OK, left click OK. And then I'm going to use my pen tool and I'm going to zoom in and I hit Control plus plus or Command plus plus on a Mac. And then tab key again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just left click, and I'm just left click and I drag. When I left click and drag, you get these handles for your Bezier curve. Left click. If I just left click and I'm going to get a straight edge and then I'm going to do the top of the boat and then I close it off. See, there is like a circle and then I get able to close that off. Okay. All right, the next thing, after I get my boat, I'm going to double click and label that boat because I want to be organized. I'm going to do the sails and I'm going to double click here. I can change, left click and drag on the slider bar and I can make a different color. I think I'm going to go with purple sails and hit OK. Left click to hit OK. Now this changed because I had it selected already, so I'm just going to click off of that, left click off of it and then double click. Go back, slider bar, change to a purple for my sails, okay? So if you have something selected, it's going to affect it. So I'm going to use my pen tool, and then I'm going to do my sails. And then I'm going to hold the space bar to grab my grabber hand, and then I can do the rest of my sails. Once I close that off, I'm going to go to the other side, do my other sail, left click and drag, or pull to get my handles, and then I'm going to close that off. Now if something's off, like right here, I can use my pen, my direct selection tool, and I can left click and hold and drag that anchor point, and then I can left click, I can drag, and I can adjust anything I want, and then so that's how I make my sails and my boat.